Elon Musk spent $288 million to get Trump elected for 4 years. But Barside spent $1.6 billion tax free to control America for a lifetime. Definitely never heard of Barside, but he's the reason why we have a conservative Supreme Court right now. Through some dark money magic, Barside funneled $1.6 billion tax free to a guy named Leonard Leo. Now, Leonard Leo personally picked Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett for Supreme Court justice. He also leads the Federalist Society, which picked the other three Supreme Court members: Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas, Samuel Alito, and Chief Justice John Roberts. Batting 6 out of 9 is an incredible ratio for an office that we're talking about lasts a lifetime. All 6 of these people come from the Federalist Society network. They were trained and studied as law students. Their legal arguments were written by these organizations. Their nominations for Supreme Court justice was bought and paid for by these wealthy donors. So, what is the Federalist Society? It's a legal organization or cult, if you don't want to be so nice about it, that was founded in the 1980s by oil billionaires, tycoons, corporate lawyers, Christian nationalists, all of the people that stand to profit from an America with conservative values. They infiltrated Yale and Harvard and all of these law schools, teaching an originalist way of interpreting the Constitution, which is to say that whatever is written literally on the Constitution is exactly as the 4 founders intended it. And of course, if you graduated from the 5th grade, you know this is not true, because one of the stellar things about the Constitution is that it is a living document. They went into these fancy colleges and got people like Amy Coney Barrett to intellectualize a misinterpretation of the Constitution. What we have of this 40-year plan, this extensive network of the most elite and powerful people in conservative America, is the repealing of Roe v. Wade, the gutting of Voting Rights Act, the ending of Chevron law, the ruling against nationwide injunctions, presidential immunity, and pretty soon, probably congressional investigations of the president. This is all part of the Federalist Society's imperial president agenda, right? They want to shrink government. They want a smaller government. They want more power for corporations and corporate lobbyists. And they want fewer rights for people like you and me. For them, it seems like money well spent.